So, making coffee, really important skill. First of all, a bit of cold water in the bottom of the cafetiere, real ground coffee, none of this instant stuff, okay? You've got to let the grounds get soaked in the cold water, then you add the hot water, otherwise it burns the grounds. Leave it for at least a minute, and then when it plunges easily in the cafetiere, that's when it's ready. Coffee should be drunk black with nothing else in it. That's the only way to drink it, in my opinion. So, why am I talking about coffee? In the 17th century, coffee houses sprung up all over England. It was a bit of a social revolution. They were an egalitarian meeting place where all classes and all members of society could meet and discuss. They generated quite a lot of periodicals, and they were considered so dangerous by Charles II that he actually tried to shut them down. They were considered by the elite to be a waste of time, to divert people away from work and get them thinking too much about statecraft and how the country was run. They were considered to be really dangerous to the establishment. The reason I want to bring this up and want to talk about coffee is because I think that's a perfect case study in many ways for what we're trying to do here at the Outdoors Group. We're trying to actively interrupt what education has become and make people think differently about what learning should be and about how we actually prepare learners for a future that is really uncertain. In that sense, what we're offering is egalitarian in the same way and is trying to disrupt society and start a discourse in a very same way that discourse was started by coffee houses in the 17th century.